Hi there traders, this is Steve Miley's What to Watch this week for AskTraders for the week commencing the 28th of October. Well, both Brexit and US corporate earnings were very much in the focus last week. On the corporate earnings side, we saw many companies in here beating expectations. However, even those that missed expectations, such as Caterpillar and Boeing, still traded higher after their reports. So basically, positive reactions to the corporate earnings season thus far, keeping equity markets very much positive on both the US side and within Europe and the UK. On the geopolitical front, the Brexit process was paused last week, and then we now have potential for a general election, potentially even a vote this Monday on the 28th of October to go towards a general election. EU members in here have granted an agreement in principle to extend the Brexit exit date beyond the 31st of October, but have yet to decide on the length of the extension, waiting to see how the political situation develops this week in the UK. Elsewhere, we also have seen the phase 1 of the US-Sino trade talks continuing to get traction and to be fleshed out. This has also helped equity markets higher and government bond markets lower as safe haven assets have sold off. The inquiry into the impeachment of US President Trump continues to develop and still is a potential negative for markets, although this seems to have had muted impact so far on financial markets. And the other geopolitical event that continues to develop is the conflict on the Turkish-Syrian border. The tentative ceasefire is holding, but markets have now lessened their focus on this conflict. Going into this week, we've got critically the Fed on Wednesday, but also had the Bank of Japan and also Bank of Canada earlier this week. And we also have a whole host of macroeconomic data, including the US employment report on Friday, which is really the standout. On the corporate earnings side from the US, we get this week Google, we get MasterCard, Apple, Facebook and GE, all from the US. And from the UK, HSBC and BP are the standouts. I'm going to wish you all a great trading week.